Hello mga sis, it's me Publihon again, and for today's vlog, it's all about the money. We don't care about the money. Now, by the way, this vlog is all about a makeup tutorial, as requested by my cousin, Eugene Silva. Because in my previous vlog, I did the bulletproof color a makeup tutorial in my interview, so I will just redo it again for your reference. So for today, we need, I always use this moisturizer, because like here in this winter country, it is very cold, so we need to put some moisturizer para di magbala ito mga maunday.
I think you forgot that I play. My teddy bear's running away. The Barbie got something to say. Hey.
By the way, I have a special guest for today, fresh from Germany. Let's give it up for Ronaldo. Don't forget to subscribe and like his channel also. So after moisturizer, yung professional moisturizer, I'll be using a New York Face Studio Prime. So it's an illuminating primer base Radiant Illuminatress with micro pearls and Ox micro pearless. So next is the primer. The purpose of the primer, according to the professional makeup artist, is to prime. is to, I think, to make the makeup long last in your face. Is that right? Correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm always wrong. By the way, the goal of this tutorial is like how to be not gorgeous, because I'm struggling being gorgeous. This is right by Erica Imang. Good morning. Alam niyo sa organic without fertilizer. Even na siya yung mga primer doon laban nila. So after the primer, with British accent, onto the prompt, I'll be using a Fit Me Maybelline New York also. It's a matte poreless. But I'm gonna show you the primer. This is the primer that I used earlier. So now I'll be using also Maybelline. It's normal to oily skin, so number 320. We said like when you choose foundation, it's like one like. There's an English term for that. Dapat na mas hype ka ng panday. At least one like one. I don't know. Basta na siya. Parang hindi ka siya kung simong nang bagay-bagay sa imong skin dye. Not too white. If your skin is like me, like 10, so at least don't choose the very white foundation. Kung mura color, kung muna ang pampira na dahil.
Whip me, no boy. I'm not your toy.
Foundation day. Ano siya ginagawa dahil. So for those who are like applying for a job or just like want to have a natural look, do this no makeup look of mine. Chris, kaya ko karong check sa'yo. Sabi lang mga yung guy kay kapag atong hindi ko sa include our neck because it's not good to select only the face is like it's like white. It's like white. Hindi ko English car. Laban is the key. Laban is the key to success dahil. Kung pinaw kayo maglaban naman siya. Or even the mga foundation day. We call it foundation day. And after foundation day, I'll be using the Maybelline. I'm all using Maybelline, but they're not paying for me. It's free of charge. Sa putong ko like. So I like to use this contour stick. But this contour stick is like to make your face contour. So what I usually do is like, so I'll just make some lines here at the forehead. And one thing I've learned from Kim Kardashian, she usually do the contour stick by making like 3. You just form 3. So it's like 1 and 3. So just do also the same thing on the other side. It's like number 3 according to her. It's just right. Shout out to Kim Kardashian. Thank you for your moral support, dedication to the Republic of the Philippines. Let's add some here. I'll start using makeup. You can put here in her joy. You want to have it. She's a joy like double sheet. And after that one, I'll be using my Spanish. So I'll just disseminate, segregate siya. I'll just try to drag the contour in the side so that shows something. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Wait, there is some new. I'm not a professional makeup artist, so do not judge me. I'm not a picture. This is my daily look. I also go to work, so like at least because we are meeting a lot of people, so we should be presented. Nonetheless, you cannot be able to see vision and vision in our lives. See. The next will be after the contouring. After the contouring is after the contouring test. Face powder. So I'll be using face powder. Yeah, face powder. Ay! I forgot to put concealer. I don't usually put concealer. So, after concealer na naman. Okay. Diba na mga kan...
You stupid boy! I'll take you down now.
Just things you do. And first, we'll be planning so I'll just stay it for a minute. Ew, then
look at me, I'm a beautiful creature. I don't care about your modern time preacher. Welcome boys, too much noise, I will teach ya. Pum pum po, rum pum po. Hey, I think you forgot that I play. My teddy bear's running away. The Barbie got something to say. Hey, hey, hey.
next part of the program is my favorite part of the program, just one of my favorite part of the program like, is nose line, and I'll be using the Essence Nude Eyeshadow Palette series. So what I usually do when I put my nose line, English one. So I just choose this like a little bit darker to my skin because black is beautiful but black is sharp. That's in So I'll be using, shout out to Manager, so I'll be using this finger. I'll be using my ring finger to ring finger, so just swipe. So, and then you just put it here in your mouth.
I need a boo bot, and you go in the pig, and I'm eating a button. I need a boo bot, and you go in the pig. Shit.
Dahil dapat hindi available, especially for giving
Bling bling, I don't care about your step, baby. Pum pum po, rum pum po. Wonder Woman, don't you ever forget.
I'm using the highlighter from Brahma. I usually just put it in the middle.
I'm not your toy, not your toy.
I mean, boy, here is like the Nudelook.
I'll take you down now, make you.
And now, I believe that the children are our future. She didn't let them lead away. I believe that the very good eyelashes will make Europeans more beautiful, especially for me that's already beautiful. So just really emphasizing what is shadow. So I'll be using a Maybelline again. Great lash. It's a waterproof, very black. So for if you don't want to make it very like obvious that things so I just swipe and it's very easy to get the extra weight. So I have read also one article in makeup tutorial and very nice eyelashes like you need to roll the mascara and applying it so that your eyelashes will not be puta.
Look at me, I'm a beautiful creature. I don't care about your modern time preacher. Welcome boys, too much noise, I will teach ya. Pum pum po, rum pum po. Hey, I think you forgot that I play. My teddy bear's running away.
What I usually do after putting mascara is like, since I already have a very gifted eyebrow filler for this, so I just use this mascara.
Wonder Woman, don't you ever forget. You're divine and he's about to regret. Is a buck up, buy it, buck up, I'm not your, I'm not your toy.
I'll be using this. You just spread the wings on the tree.
Take you down now, make you watch her. Dancer with my dolls on the motherfucker beat. Not your toy.
So like for the girls, they usually put like concealer here to highlight the eyebrow, but for me, I like this. Just like for the natural. And after that one, I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'll be using
baby, pum pum po, rum pum po. Wonder Woman, don't you ever forget. You're divine and he's about to regret. He's a buck up, buy it,
so just follow the line that we did that we did in our fingers. Just follow because dapat na July dito tayo hindi siya
not your time, stupid boy, stupid boy.
After that one,
I'm not your toy, you stupid boy. I'll take you down, I'll make you watch me. Dancing with my dolls on the motherfucker beat.
after that one, going to accent. So not dito na dry. So then using some like pinkish brown like the material. So you will have your blush on. Ang blush on there, guys. Dito mo bigay-bigay. Kinakang dry. Sabi ko, luspad ba? O sabi ko, tuyo ba?
I don't care about your modern time preacher. Welcome boys, too much noise, I will teach ya. Pum pum po, rum pum po. Hey, I think you
I don't
forgot
usually
how
put
to
lipstick
play.
na.
My teddy bear's running away.
Baby, no.
The
I just
Barbie
buy
got
my
something to
lipstick.
say.
And I also
My summer says leave me alone. I'm taking my Pikachu home.
I'm also adding some like same dark color in my
Wonder Woman, don't you
so
ever
good
forget.
matching in my
You're
but just the same
divine
color
and
as
he's
your
about to
skin.
regret. I'm not your toy, not your toy. You stupid boy, stupid boy. I'll take you down now, make you watch me. Dancing with my dolls on the motherfucker beat. Not your toy.
More work than I can handle, man, so what's the deal? Keep stacking paper to the ceiling, ask her how it feels. Whipping wheel, pushing past all of them boys just acting. They really
And that's it for today's vlog. I hope you like it and don't forget to comment below and subscribe. I would like to shout out also for those who have commented in my first vlog. I appreciate the support and I hope that you will spread awareness. Tricky. Bye! Also to the manager to shout out also to Renz Margaret Marga, Mommy Jinky Elton, Zazamine, Ika Noah, Anshi Patricia, Sissy Jobs, the also follow, Team and the Ronaldo Group, and the Oceans, Greta also,
I'm not your toy.
Job Bar Barbie, and the for those wanting to shout out, just comment below. And